In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on computer. If you want to quickly check how much storage your Yahoo Mail account is using, the good news is that it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. This is useful if you're trying to keep your inbox organized, troubleshoot issues with receiving messages, or simply stay aware of how much space your account is using over time. To begin, open your web browser and sign in to Yahoo Mail. Make sure you're fully logged into the correct account so you can view the storage information connected to that mailbox. Once Yahoo Mail finishes loading, stay on the main mail page. Next, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This area usually contains your account controls and profile options. Depending on your setup, you may see a profile picture there, or you might see a standard Yahoo or profile icon instead. Both will work the same way for this process. Now, place your mouse pointer over that profile picture or profile icon. You don't need to click, just hover your mouse over it and wait a moment. This is important because the storage information appears in a small pop-up panel that opens when you hover. After a brief pause, a small pop-up will appear on the screen. This panel shows quick account information without taking you away from your inbox. In that pop-up, look for the section labeled Storage. Under that heading, Yahoo Mail will display how much storage your account is currently using. That's the information you need. You can use this space reading as a quick way to monitor your mailbox usage, especially if you receive a lot of messages with attachments like photos, documents, or large files. If the pop-up doesn't appear right away, try moving your mouse away and hovering again more carefully over the profile area. Also, make sure your browser window is fully loaded, since account panels sometimes take a second to appear. And that's it. That's how to show your storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on a computer. It's a very simple feature, but it can be helpful for keeping track of your account and understanding how much space you're currently using.